YouTube, the 119001 here. We are going to be reading A Possible Quantum Basis of Panpsychism by Gao Shan. So the abstract says, we show that consciousness may violate the basic quantum principle, according to which the non-orthogonal single states can't be distinguished. This implies that the physical world is not causally closed without consciousness, and consciousness is a fundamental property of matter, thus provides a possible quantum basis for panpsychism. Key words: consciousness, mind, panpsychism, quantum physics. As we know, the explanation of consciousness presents a uniquely hard problem for science. It forces us to re-examine the physical and metaphysical foundations of present scientific worldview. This re-triggers the debate about the long-standing dilemma of panpsychism versus emergentism. It is generally accepted that an essential separation of consciousness and matter will preclude any real integration of consciousness with the present scientific picture of the physical world. And panpsychism and emergentism are the only two main positions that can complete the integration. Then, we must decide whether and how consciousness emerges from mere matter or whether consciousness is a fundamental property of matter. Undoubtedly, panpsychism provides an attracting and promising way to fit consciousness into the scientific picture, according to which consciousness is a fundamental feature of the world which exists throughout the universe. The main arguments for panpsychism include the genetic ones, the analogical ones, the intrinsic nature ones, and some sort of methodological ones. As we think, although we can't directly confirm panpsychism by empirical test presently, we may see it in some indirect empirical facts through logical microscope. In this paper, we will present a new argument based on revised quantum dynamics, which is generally taken as a promising, complete version of present quantum theory. It is shown that consciousness may help to distinguish the non-orthogonal single states in the framework of revised quantum dynamics, while the usual physical measuring device can't. We further analyze the possible inferences of this unusual conclusion and demonstrate that it strongly implies that the physical world is not causally closed without consciousness. The fact that consciousness violates the basic physical principle also reveals that consciousness is a fundamental property of matter, and a complete theory of matter must involve consciousness. We conclude that the above argument provides a possible quantum basis for panpsychism.